it's Jake from Idaho 3D Printing and Design, and I got this really cool Jeep for Christmas, so I was going to show you all the upgrades and stuff we did to it. So first off, what we did was we added this really cool winch to it, and it's a real winch and everything, and the button for the winch is back here. So the winch it didn't really come with it, so this was not a winch button, so we kind of added it. We took the other button out and added a winch button. And for all these other buttons, like the Sasquatch lights, if you turn the car on, you look back there, up here, here's the flag, it lights up and everything, and you can change the lights on a little Bluetooth thing. And up here, yeah, these really cool lights. And we also have the rock lights. You can't really see them in the daytime, but if you come right here, you can kind of see the blue shine on my hand. After the lights, we added the turn signal right here. Well, we added the turn signal button, but it came with turn signals in the back, and it beeps when you click it, and they're also the little horn, and those are really all the buttons. And we also added this really cool radio right here, and it works and everything. And with the radio, turn it on. And the speakers are right back here. We added 2 of them right here over in the back. 2 speakers, and we have the radio antenna for the radio. And with the radio, right next to the radio is the thing that just warms up the engine when you want to turn it on. That's all that is, not much. And it came with a speedometer, but the speedometer wasn't really accurate, so we changed it to a GPS speedometer, and it's so we know how fast we're going, and it works way better. So, and right here we added a thing that tells us what our RPM is and stuff, and my dad added a cool little 3D printed thing around it. And we also 3D printed this cup holder, which you can buy on our shop, Idaho 3D Printing and Design. And it's pretty cool. And we also, that's most of all the stuff on the front. Besides this and this, we didn't add that. It just says first gear, second, third, neutral, reverse, and stuff. And we also added this cool little Tesla logo because it's pretty cool and stuff. Cover right here, and that's really all in the front. So if we go to the back over here, we added this license plate. We also my dad added this little cool grenade. It's a practice grenade that they use for practice in the military. We also added this little bag that we can put whatever in, snacks, a drink, nothing in there right now. And then over here, we added obviously the 2 speakers, and we also added this ammo box, just in case we're driving and something happens. We have a whole bunch. Added this sound dampening all over under the Jeep and everything right here. We also added fuse block, and we also, if we go under the Jeep, another thing on the back, we added this hitch, and underneath we added the sound dampening and stuff and all the extra wires. We also added a chain tensioner. It's kind of hard to see, so yeah, we added that because every time we drove, when we hit a certain speed, the chains just rattled and it made a loud noise. So me and my dad added that, and it was pretty fun to add, and we tested it, and it makes it so much quieter and so much better. And I'm gonna I'm gonna show you guys the Jeep itself. You can just pull that. The Jeep rides pretty nice and smooth and pretty good. And there's neutral, reverse, first, second, and third gear, and yeah, that's starting to get a little crazy out here. So if you guys, you can tell us what you liked and any questions about the Jeep, and